Next, let's explore the dynamic topology feature. Dynamic topology allows you to adjust the resolution of your model dynamically as you sculpt. Check the box to enable this feature. Now, open the tab. First, let's adjust the resolution. The smaller this value is, the higher the resolution becomes. You can use the shortcut R in the 3D viewport to change the resolution visually. As you can see, the modified areas are all composed of triangular polygons. This is a defining characteristic of this feature. Dynamic topology allows you to increase the resolution in specific areas, enabling efficient sculpting without unnecessarily increasing the overall data size. In the Refine Methods section, you can modify how these triangular polygons are generated. Selecting Subdivide Edges splits the mesh by adding divisions within the existing polygons. On the other hand, Collapse Edges merges the edges of adjacent polygons to create the mesh. The last option, Subdivide Collapse, combines both methods to create a balanced polygon generation approach. Since it might be difficult to fully understand through explanations alone, I recommend trying this out with the wireframe mode enabled for those who want a deeper understanding. If you don't have specific preferences, I suggest using Subdivide Collapse as it balances subdivision and edge collapse effectively. Next, let's look at detail type. Relative detail determines the resolution based on your zoom level. As shown, the resolution changes depending on whether you are zoomed in or out while using the brush. This approach can feel less intuitive and may be challenging to work with. In contrast, constant detail allows you to work with a fixed resolution set by numerical values, making it the most intuitive option for consistent work. Brush detail sets the resolution based on the brush size. In manual detail, pressing the Detail Flood Fill button applies the set resolution across the entire object. The terms used in this section can be a bit confusing, but as a basic setup, I recommend using Subdivide Collapse with constant detail and adjusting the resolution as needed. Lastly, clicking the eyedropper icon next to the resolution setting, and then clicking on the object's surface will match the resolution to that specific area. This is a very handy feature, so make sure to remember it as well.